Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash. I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as we can clearly see on the chart that there is not much activity, movement, volatility in the market. So as a result of which, we are witnessing some boringness since yesterday. But we can see a symmetrical triangle pattern on the 4 hours time frame as well as on the 1 hour time frame. Okay. We can clearly see a symmetrical triangle pattern, which signifies that a breakout is coming very soon, because symmetrical triangle pattern is a bilateral pattern, so as a result of which we cannot predict the direction of the market. For example, in ascending triangle pattern, we know it very well that the breakout will be coming towards the upside. In case of descending triangle pattern, we know it very well that a breakout is coming towards the downside. But in case of symmetrical triangle pattern, it is difficult to predict. So we need to draw the lines and wait for the action to happen. So right now Euro USD is standing at 1.0619, and as you can clearly see, the market is squeezing, okay, heading towards a very narrow channel here. So we need to wait for some time. First of all, let's look at DXY. On the chart of DXY also, we can see the same thing. Yesterday we discussed about the importance of the previous low here, because when I recorded the video, DXY was still falling. So we discussed about the importance, because a lower low would have signified that market is going for a trend reversal, but DXY formed a higher low, and at the top also DXY formed a higher high. So here also we can clearly see a symmetrical triangle pattern. Shockingly, on the chart of gold also we discussed about symmetrical triangle pattern. On DXY also we can see that it is squeezing and heading towards a very narrow channel here. So breakout is coming very soon. I looked at the forexfactor.com for some news, but sadly we don't have any news today. The news is coming on tomorrow. So yes, there is a possibility that till tomorrow market may remain like this. But during the US session today, if market shows a breakout, okay, you can trade accordingly. On the chart of DXY, if market really wants to continue the upside, DXY will have to cross 104.70. This is the resistance of DXY. It will have to cross this level here. Now let's talk about Euro USD. So yesterday Euro USD was trading inside a range here. We discussed about the range here, and we also discussed about the possibility of a breakdown and how we can go for a sell position. Hopefully you made some money yesterday, and when market tried to recover, we also saw that the previous support also acted as resistance, and right now market is going down from there only. Okay, so next time if market goes up again, do not expect the same resistance to work again. It can be a little bit scary. And as the market, okay, as the not only the Euro USD, all the markets are forming a symmetrical triangle pattern and heading towards a narrow channel here, squeezing, as a result of which the trading opportunities are quite less in the market. So let's discuss one by one. First of all, the strongest resistance or the strongest presence of sellers we discussed on Saturday is still valid. The strongest resistance on the chart of euro dollar is still around 1.0866, because of the 50% retracement level of Fibonacci, as well as the presence of 200 moving average around this area. 1.0866, 1.06%, this particular level is a very strong resistance because of strong presence of sellers. But this level is far away, so before this level we have strong resistance around 1.0825 to 1.0815. This particular level here, the red box that I have drawn here, is also a very strong resistance because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level, as well as previous price rejection around this area. If we combine both the factors here, we can expect that a good amount of selling pressure will also be there in this level. If market goes up and if you see market struggling around this area, then obviously you can go for sell position. But the problem is that both the levels are strong enough, but they are far away from the current market price. So the immediate resistance on the chart of Euro USD is around 1.0770 1.0770, 1.0760, or 1.075760. Okay, I'm talking about this whole level here. Why? You can see here that we have previous price rejection around this area. Listen to me carefully. Previous price rejection around this area, previous support to be acting as resistance, previous support to be acting as resistance, previous resistance, and we also have the 100 moving area, moving average around this area, dynamic resistance. If we combine all the factors here, 1.0770, 1.0760, 1.0755, this is a good resistance zone in the market. If market goes up, if you see that the volatility of the market is not extreme, under normal circumstances, I'm not talking about any news market here. Under normal circumstances, if market goes for a breakout, then obviously market will face some selling pressure. If you see that market is showing price rejection from above, you can switch to 1 hour time frame because 4 hours time frame is quite slow. If you see the price is showing above, price rejection from above, market is struggling, you can consider taking a sell position around this area as well. This is also a good resistance if market is not being dominated by any news. Under normal circumstances, keep that in mind. So these are the resistance level, okay, if market starts moving up. But as I said earlier, the right now market is trading inside this symmetrical triangle pattern here. During the day, if you see the market is coming down, you can observe the market around the line at the bottom. As it's a dynamic support, we don't have any exact number, but it will be around 1.0670, 1.06707175 level. Around this level, if you see market is taking support and going up again, market is showing price rejection from below, forming a hammer pattern, bullish engulfing pattern, will also give you the confirmation that the line at the bottom is true, and you can also consider a buy. But market will be going for a breakout very soon, and during the US session or by tomorrow, if market breaks the level, the line at the bottom, observe the size of the candle. Size of the candle signifies volume. If you see the market is going down with a big red candle, obviously it means that volume is there, selling pressure is high, and you can consider taking a sell position as well. On Saturday, we discussed about the possibility of a trend reversal, if you remember correctly, because after forming lower lows, lower highs for quite some time, for last couple of weeks, market finally broke the previous high and also formed a higher low as well. So here the structure of the market changed if you observe carefully, but sadly market is stuck inside a symmetrical triangle pattern or in indecision right now. So let's wait and watch. If the structure of the market is correct, if the structure of the market has changed here, then obviously the breakout should be towards the upside, not towards the downside. Because if market breaks towards the downside, then obviously things will be again critical for Euro USD, and you should be looking for sell opportunities. So today the trading opportunities are very limited on euro dollar pair, though we have strong resistances on the chart of Euro USD. Those levels are far away. So if Euro USD comes down and bounces from the trend line at the bottom, you can consider taking a buy position as well. And during the day, okay, and during the day, if you see that Euro USD is going up, okay, euro is going up, but the volume is not very high. If you see the size of the candles are like this, then obviously you can expect a false breakout. And if Euro USD reverses from 1.0720, 1.0725, this particular level here, you can consider a sell as well. 1.0725, 1.072223, this particular level. So volume of the market, volatility of the market is very important. Okay, so and not only Euro USD, in fact, we also looked at the chart of gold, and gold is also okay, kind of confusing and critical right now. Okay, so anyways, whatever you do, follow proper risk management. Okay, especially whenever you will be trading on breakouts, because it can be a false breakout as well. Do not risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital right now, and follow strict risk management. But this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care.